Okay, let's go outside. Go ahead. Yeah, it's chickens out here, they said. I don't know. Oh, it's chickens over there. You see chickens over there? Look over there. The big chickens. We can't pet the chickens. Wait, Giselle. Oh no, water. Wait, it's water. Okay. Wait, Giselle. Wait your turn. Wait. Come on, let's go around the water. Ooh. Yeah, watch the mud. Watch the mud. Don't stick your finger in there now. Don't do that. See chickens? They're big chickens. See big chickens?
Yeah. It's a one.
Yeah. How many chickens do you see?
One, two,